So I picked them up from school yesterday and I said, Leila and Zahra, this is a secret. Literally the moment they see their mother, they just blurt it out. Hey neighbors, how are you doing? You can see where I am. I am in country. I'm in the country at our home, just passing through. And you can see how dry the area is. It's really dry, really dry. But you know what always amazes me? There are certain plants that just thrive, certain trees that are unaffected by just how dry. I mean, it hasn't rained here. It doesn't look like it's rained here in a while. Yet certain plants, as a matter of fact, they thrive, they flourish in these harsh conditions. Just talking to you here right now, under the pelting sun, I feel like I'm getting 2 more shades of black on my already dark chocolate skin. But the point I'm trying to make, I was just reflecting a while ago. Isaiah 43 says, I will be making ways in the desert or the wilderness, and I'll be making streams in the wasteland. So even where it look hopeless, even where it look like it's dry, it may be dry financially, it may be dry emotionally, your marriage may be dry, you may feel you hit a dead end in the job, you may feel like your relationship with the children messed up, or you just feel like you're not close to God, you can't get a connection. However hopeless you feel right now, God is saying, listen, He's doing a new thing, He can be doing a new thing. Forget the former things. And just seeing how dry the place is now, let me show you how the thing's thriving. So for example, the last time we came here, this was not in bloom. All you saw was these things. You never had the nice flowers, but look, I think this is the desert rose. Tino, correct me if I'm wrong. This is the desert rose, and it is actually, it never looks so pretty since all the time I've seen it. Let me show you something else. I'm sweating, but even love it. The desert rose love it. Let me show you something else. Bougainvilleas, a mystery plant. I don't know how this plant, it's everywhere. It's so beautiful, but it requires like 0 water. That can be true, but it is like, you don't have much, that's okay, I'll thrive anyway. And look at the trees. So let me show you the trees. Let me show you the trees. Look at this. The tuna tree thriving. This palm tree thriving. This palm tree. Not palm tree. This palm tree thriving. Right? But look at the ground. Parched. But God doing a new thing. We're trusting God for something big, personally. Well, yeah, all of us, me and Tina. And He's going to come through. So as I encourage myself, I'm encouraging you. Yeah. Let's get on with the vlog. Oh, and we'll soon get plum too. Look at all of these plums just waiting. By the time I come back here, they'll be ripe. So don't worry neighbors, you're going to thrive. Wherever you are, you're going to thrive in Jesus' name. Let's get on with the vlog again. Hey neighbors, if it's International Women's Day, if I have on an Argentina shirt, as you're seeing here, and if I have a big smile on my face, those 3 conditions can only mean one thing. Say it with me after 3. 1, 2, 3. It's correct. So just drop it in the comments. Let us know that you're also sharing the day with us. And the right answer, by the way, is it's Tina's birthday today. International Women's Day, March 8th. Is a day that they commemorate Tina, but they include other women because of her impact as a woman. They said, you know what, let's just commemorate her. And the entire world says, you know what, because of Tina, we're going to be celebrating women. So Big up Tina, happy birthday, baby. Drop it in the comments because I know that you're ready to now. And so I'm wearing my Argentina shirt. Because for those of you who know the How We Met story, this was a part of how I, you know, put her on notice that I was noticing her. Argentina, yeah. And the big smile on my face is because it's her birthday. So we're going to just have a little party later. Nothing too romantic because we don't want to have any more, you know, twins down the road. Nothing too, just a little par. But you can see behind me, I think I spotted a mango yesterday. That is ripening. Oh, this is the hairy side. I need to go on. Where did I see it? Oh, this is. I can't even include this because this is really. This looks like a fluxy mango. So the color changed, but it really wishy-washy. See there? Drop to the ground. No, this mango not ready at all. But yeah, man, the tree is doing very good. We had done some pruning, and if you can notice, this part was given a hard prune like this. Low, chop off, big chop. But if you notice up there, the branch is already coming out and putting out fruit. My gosh, I feel a word there, you know. There's a word there, you know, but I'm not going to preach. I already did enough preaching in the first part of the video. Update, small update. We moved our. Right now we have a little forest going on here. So many things going on. We moved them to a little different spot in the yard, and they're also doing good. So enough for that. Let's hit the road. I'm going to complain about Leila and Zahra first. So Tina's birthday today, so we're going to mark the occasion with a cake, right? Naturally. So I picked them up from school yesterday and I said, Leila and Zahra, this is a secret. Don't tell mommy. Mommy's birthday is tomorrow. We're buying a cake. We're going to order the cake for her today. But don't tell her when you go home about anything about the cake. Okay? Yes, daddy. Alright? Yes, daddy. We'll go order the cake. A very small cake, a 6-inch cake. I'm going to collect it soon. Because we're trying to, you know, gradually eat better as a family. So nothing big, just a couple slices everybody can get and things. Order the cake fine. Reach home, bust in the door now to go inside. Hi mama, we'll order the cake for you. Them can't keep secret. Them can't keep a secret. Literally the moment they see their mother, they just blurt it out. It's unbelievable. So today now is the day. Today's the day now where, oh boy, me and this thing again. I come here for a lunch, a little lunch. Speaking about eating healthy, I really want to get a slice of pizza for lunch. But God wouldn't have it because the lines were too long, and I just say, you know what? Let me just go. So I'm in Price Mart leaving now. But we're still trying to eat healthy, you know. Yeah. God works in mysterious ways, so the line was too long, so I never get a pizza, and it's a good thing. One less unhealthy thing to consume. So the phone dropping again in Price Mart's parking lot. So the next time you see me, we're going to pick up this cake that we're speaking of. Hi Leila. You're not feeling well? Gosh. Do you remember what day today is, Zahra?
Sunday.
No, today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
But what did we eat? What day is today, Leila?
Wednesday.
No, but whose birthday is it today?
Mommy.
It's mommy's birthday, right? You remember?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to pick up the cake. Remember the cake that we ordered yesterday?
Yes.
We're going to get the cake, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We're hurting in Leila. Your head? Are we going to go home, okay? Hush, hush. We have our receipt, thank God we didn't lose it. Plain cake, 6-inch. Ready to go, Zaza? Alright. Oh, look at these nice cakes.
I want you to buy a Jamaica cake.
A Jamaica cake? No. I'm going to get mommy's cake. Come. Oh, you mark them. Okay. She not feel so well today. That's why she looks good. Alright, thanks here. See there?
Tiny.
It's too tiny. But we're not eating out of the cake, baby. Happy birthday, Tina. Remember, we're trying to eat healthy now, right? Okay, let's go. Leila really not feeling well though, so I'm going to see how she is when we get home, because the teacher said that she was sleeping when I went to pick her up, which is unusual. So we'll see what this means for the plans later. But again, use this to big up the ladies. It's International Women's Day. Big up to the women in the neighborhood. Because, I mean, some of this could change the plans. And it's a parent thing, because we have a child that is not well. We both have to stay home. But just to highlight the effort that Tina would have to make, especially on her birthday, to sacrifice. So big up to all women. The mothers, the sisters, the friends, the daughters. Continue doing what you're doing. I really appreciate you. Yeah, so let's see how the day progresses from here. And of course, the hairs are about. It's so tiny. The cake is so tiny. If you give Zara a snack from morning till night, she can eat it here. We're on a new trajectory, trying to improve 1 meal at a time. And if it means to order a small cake, order a small cake.
Why you order a small cake?
Here are asking why I order a small cake. Because we're trying to be healthier, baby. Okay? Okay. Hey neighbors, so as suspected, Leila isn't well. It doesn't seem to be anything too serious, but we're going to have to just roll with the punches and change plans for today. So we're not going to be doing our little, powering later. We're going to let that stay for probably the weekend or probably Friday evening. But we'll still mark the day, mark the occasion, and it's just a matter of recognizing that, 1 more year that God has given us. Thank God for allowing Tina to be with us. I'm just going to make her feel special still. So, we're going to light the cake now. I made sure to use 1 candle. She's 1 year old. No, she's not 1 year old, but she's number 1 to us. That's significant to this. So happy birthday, babe. Our baby is crying. Only God knows what happened now. But neighbors, until next time, be good. Big up to all women. And see you in the next vlog. Bye. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell them bye-bye, Edie. You were crying? Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.